In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy side hustles that anyone can do to make some extra money. These side hustles don't require a lot of time or money, and they can be done from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started. The first side hustle on our list is taking online surveys. There are a ton of websites out there that will pay you to take surveys and share your opinions. All you have to do is sign up, answer a few questions, and you'll get paid for your time. Some of the most popular survey websites include Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Inbox Dollars. The second side hustle on our list is freelance writing. If you have a way with words, you can make some extra cash by writing articles, blog posts, or even product descriptions for businesses. There are plenty of websites out there that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. The third side hustle on our list is pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, you can make some extra cash by taking care of other people's pets while they're away. You can advertise your services on websites like Rover or Care.com, or even put up flyers in your local community. The fourth side hustle on our list is selling on eBay. If you have some items lying around your house that you no longer need, you can make some extra cash by selling them on eBay. You can also source items from thrift stores or garage sales and resell them for a profit. The fifth and final side hustle on our list is social media management. If you're a social media whiz, you can make some extra cash by managing social media accounts for businesses or individuals. You can find clients on websites like Upwork or Freelancer, or even reach out to businesses directly. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching this video on 5 easy side hustles anyone can do. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And here's an exciting announcement. If this video reaches 100 likes, we will create a full detailed tutorial on each side hustle step-by-step procedure. Thanks for watching.